Case summary. Court of Appeal date 1984 citation 1984 1 or E R 129 judges Donaldson L.J., Slate L.J., and Mann J. Background facts in this case: the claimants were the shipowners of the vessel, the Alaskan trader, and the defendants were the charterers of the vessel. The dispute arose from a time charter party agreement in which the charterers had hired the vessel from the shipowners for a specified period. Claimant, plaintiff, shipowners of the Alaskan trader, defendant, charterers of the Alaskan trader. The court issue revolved around the hire payments under the charter party. The vessel suffered engine problems that led to extensive repairs, rendering the ship non-operational for a significant period. During this downtime, the charterers ceased paying the hire, arguing that they were not obliged to pay for a vessel that was not serviceable. Arguments. Claimants' argument. The shipowners argued that under the terms of the charter party, the charterers were still liable to pay the hire during the period of repairs. They contended that the downtime was within the risks that the charterers had agreed to bear. Defendants' argument. The charterers contended that they were not required to pay hire for the period during which the vessel was not operational. They asserted that the non-serviceability of the vessel was a fundamental breach of the charter party, relieving them of their obligation to pay hire. Final outcome. Judgment. The Court of Appeal ruled in favor of the shipowners. Law justification and detailed analysis. The court held that under the specific terms of the charter party, the obligation to pay hire was not contingent upon the vessel being operational at all times. The charterers had assumed the risk of downtime due to repairs and were, therefore, still required to pay the hire. The court applied the principle that in a time charter party, the charterers take on the commercial risk of the vessel's serviceability, except in cases where specific exceptions like off-hire clauses are clearly outlined. The terms of the charter party in question did not include an off-hire provision for the type of engine problems that occurred. Key concept implications of the court case. Risk allocation in charter parties. This case underscores the importance of understanding and clearly delineating risk allocation in charter party agreements. The charterers bore the risk of downtime for repairs. Contractual obligations. The decision reinforces that parties must adhere to their contractual obligations unless there is an explicit provision that alters or relieves such obligations. Charter party interpretation. The ruling highlights the significance of precise language in drafting charter party agreements, ensuring that all potential scenarios and their consequences are covered. Key takeaways. Always clearly specify conditions under which hire payments may be suspended, e.g., off-hire clauses. Ensure a thorough understanding of the risks each party assumes in a charter party agreement. Precise and unambiguous language in contracts can prevent disputes and provide clear guidance for resolving issues that arise. Learning point. Understanding the distinction between conditions and warranties is crucial in contract law. Clear contractual terms regarding readiness and performance dates are essential in commercial agreements. The case highlights the judicial inclination to interpret timely performance clauses in commercial shipping contracts as conditions.